Are not air suspension products. Mercedes installation. Removal. Step 1. Disconnecting the battery. To avoid the possibility of short circuits while working with electric components, consult your owner's manual on how to disconnect your battery. Always wear safety glasses when doing automotive maintenance. Removal. Step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal. Step 3. Disconnect the shock control. Disconnect the shock control cable located in the fender well. Loosen the 2 set screws. This will be found on the bottom of the shock assembly. Then, with the proper tools, loosen and remove the bolt that attaches to the upper A-arm. Removal. Step 4. Removing the shock assembly. With the hood raised, disconnect the air supply line to the shock assembly. Remove the 3 nuts holding the top mount of the shock. Finally, remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. Install. Step 1. Preparing the R-knot shock for installation. Remove the 3 nuts on the top mount of the shock assembly. Install. Step 2. Positioning the shock for mounting. Install the new shock assembly into the upper and lower shock mounts. Tighten the top 3 nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install. Step 3. Reconnecting the air supply. Reconnect the air supply line and tighten. The air supply line is connected directly into the new shock. The use of the air fill check valve from the old shock is not required. Install. Step 4. Reconnecting the upper A-arm. With the proper tools, reconnect and tighten the bolt that attaches to the upper A-arm. Tighten the 2 set screws equally on the bottom of the shock assembly. Finally, reconnect the shock control cable. Install. Step 5. Finishing the install. Reinstall the tire and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reinstall the air compressor fuse. Install. Step 6. Reconnecting the battery. To avoid the possibility of short circuits while working with electric components, consult your owner's manual on how to reconnect your battery. Install. Step 7. Testing function. Lower the lifting platform slowly. Start the engine and wait 2 minutes. Then operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Finally, check the shock for leaks by test driving the vehicle. Installation completed. Congratulations!